know, this is for like work. When I go to work, when we go to dinner, when I want to make my third baby.
Oh, you smell good, Daddy.
Do I? Like Burberry. Love comes in a bad way. I told you, like I always said, Paris is special. Always said that. Always known it and always said it. You just keep doing what you're doing.
Yeah.
You keep doing what you're doing and Paris will shine regardless.
Yeah, for...
With or without the camera.
So true, right? And that's coming from her father. Paris will shine with or without the camera. Yes, it is now 9:42 ng gabi. Ngayon lang tayo nakapag-vlog ulit. And yung ating mga kiddos ay tulog na. Nakatulog sila sa sasakyan. Kasi hindi sila nag-nap kaninang hapon. So, nang pauwi na kami, 7:30 kami nakauwi. And diretso na sila sa bed. Hindi na, tulog na talaga sila. So, papakita ko lang sa inyo yung napamili ko kayo na sa Zara. Ayan. Oh, pakita ko muna yung kulay ng aking kuko. So, yung pinili natin Paris, guys, was like hot pink. And, sabi ko sa kanya, anak, mukhang hindi mo siya bagay kay mama, anak, ang hot pink. I probably like it, but, ewan ko, parang tawag dito, hinihila talaga ako ng kulay na to, guys. See, kung nakikita nyo sa mga, mga vlogs ko, ito talaga yung kulay ng kuko na. My go-to color kasi very subtle lang ang kanyang pagka-pink. Ayan, di ba? Oh. Ang aking kuko ay parang nips, guys. Hindi kasi siya mahaba. Naman nag-borlis akong luyo eh. He's trying on his clothes as well. Put shirt on, Daddy. So we can show. Huh?
You like my shorts?
What kind of shorts that?
Like going like short like going out shorts.
Did you get that from H&M?
These ones?
Yeah.
These ones were from Filipina.
The shorts?
I'll get my shoes on first.
Anyways, huh?
I'm gonna get my shoes on.
Yeah, go. So, ito yung binili ko kanina sa Zara. Binili ko kanina sa Paris. First, itong basic tank top na knitted. Ayan, parang siyang pa-crop top ang peg nito, guys. Kailangan ko kasi ng white top for tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be a very exciting day kasi we are going to see Jess and the family sa Gold Coast. So, we're meeting them sa SeaWorld. Kaya maaga kami bukas. Kasi very happy na rin ako na nakatulog yung mga kiddos ng maaga para hindi sila payak-iyak bukas. Gisingin ko sila ng maaga. So, we're going to vlog tomorrow. So, stay tuned for that, guys. Ayan. So, that's it. Magkano ba ito siya? $29.95. Basically, $30 for that one. And then, another basic crop top na light brown yung kanyang kulay. And this is only $16. Maganda ito siya. Learn. And then, bumili ako for the kids. And you are going to love this. Twinnings for the girls. So, binili ko. Ito, nakita ko ito. Pumunta kami sa kids section. Is that just the basic shirt? Black shirt? From H&M too?
Yeah.
Yeah? Hang on, I'm just gonna show. Oh, come Daddy. Come join me. That is, ano guys, oh. Try on din niya yung kanyang napamili. Yeah, looks nice. Yeah. All black. Anyways, ayan. So, that's a short And a skirt says coat. Yeah, this is for Ate Paris. And oh no, this is for Celine actually. Hold that one, Daddy. And this is for Ate Paris. Oh, how cute. So these ones, they're $35.95 each. Ayan. And guess what? Twinning din sila sa top. Hold that one, Dida. Ayan. So this is for Ate Paris. Ay, asan ba dito ka, Ate Paris?
That's me.
Oh, this is the lens. Ayan, and that's for Ate Paris. So, twinning sila bukas. And it's only $13 for the, ano. So, show me the review. Yours,
Right.
Oh, yeah.
And I got that for Celine.
Very cute.
Yeah.
Super
This
nice.
is like a baby LA hat to match me.
Yeah.
Seeing as I we look the same.
Right, guys, diba marami sa inyo na nagsabi na Daddy Celine looks like Daddy Mike very much. Si Daddy Mike nga siguro ang tatay. Maybe you're the dad, Daddy.
Anyway.
Bishobi? Further. Yeah, there. Ah, iba rin.
Nice.
Yeah, that's nice. Alam niyo ba, sobrang daming binili ni Daddy Mike. How many did you buy?
A few like.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'll match them.
Yeah, ita-try on daw niya. Wala na ba? Wala na ba kami binili? Wala na. Yun lang. Kasi yung ginawa lang talaga namin doon ay yung magpa-kuko. Hindi ko na nagawa ang aking paa kasi very busy sila kanina. So, hindi nila nagawa ng sabay. I didn't really want to stay there for another 45 minutes. Kasi alam kong babysilin natin ay mag-buruto na. Pilit ako dito guys kasi mag-ano si Daddy Mike. Mag-kuho. Okay, Daddy. Come on. T-shirt number 2. Oh.
Look rough?
Yeah, looks good.
Hmm?
Looks good. You really did lose weight, Bob, on the...
Everywhere, Bob.
Yeah.
Everywhere. Huh?
Everywhere.
Nice.
That looks good. It's not too tight.
Right.
I think the other ones, yeah. Maybe should we from there?
They're nice. What's up with them?
I'm just saying, this one is not as tight as the other one. Yeah. What do you think, guys? Do you like the hapit na hapit or the looser one?
I like both.
Hmm?
I like both.
Daddy bought this one too. Hat. Raiders. Nagugutom ako ah. Alam mo, magkakape na naman ako niyan. I love my coffee. Red Rooster. Pinabili ni Ate Paris kanina. Hindi naman pala kinain. I like them all actually.
Swimmy shorts. I like swimmy shorts. What?
No shit, Ali.
Huh?
Hindi ako makalit over dito guys, oh. Sobrang cute niya. Sobrang liit. Liit. Ala, did you buy the shirt in every color?
One that I liked.
You got white, navy blue, green, brown.
Black.
Excited ako bukas. Kasi, yeah, hindi kami nakita. Kahit nung pag-alis na namin ng Melbourne, hindi kami nakita ni Jess. Kasi dumating yung mama tsaka papa niya. So, naging busy na rin siya ba? So, they're in Queensland for 6 days ata. So, punta silang Gold Coast. So, we're going to drive there. But we have to be very careful this time. Kasi, last time pumunta tayo ng Gold Coast, remember, na na-find tayo ng napakalaki. Lumabas na ang model. nice. That's a really good combination. Actually, matches your shoes.
That is very good mixing it. And I know what colors we do go.
I like white. Actually, yeah, you look good on everything. It's the same shirt, with different color shorts.
Like it?
You know, for sure you can tell already that Daddy Mike loves shorts.
Yeah, I don't know.
But I like this one better. I like this color better. Tapos may paganyan pa siya sa gilid.
But this one's
That's
good.
my style.
But this one's up?
Yeah. I probably not gonna see you wearing it.
Right. Oh wait, is it
Tell
short?
you guys, palagi ito siyang bumibili ng mga ganyan. Stock lang. Sobrang daming damit ni Daddy Mike.
Oh wait, is it short shorts? If it's short shorts, I'll wear it.
Like so many shorts.
Alright, last.
Sobrang daming damit niya. And I'm not complaining kasi kapag hindi niya sinusuot, pinapalagay niya sa box papuntang Pinas for my family. Okay lang siya. Bili lang siya ng bili
This is Zara, so this one.
Hindi niya suotin na
Hopefully this fit. Zara's a bit tighter fit.
Did you go to Zara?
Yeah.
When?
I was walking to me.
Really? Look, the see-through. It's see-through.
Completely? I can't see.
Well, I can see your tattoo, Daddy, so...
Yeah, but you can't see my button. This is gonna be a good one.
But you gotta wear like a light color undies.
Oh yeah, I don't know why I'm just...
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh no, on this.
I can see it. I can see your itlog.
Okay.
Oh, that look really nice.
Shit. You wait till I chuck on the last one. Yeah, look at
That's my favorite
You wait till.
color combination. Ding 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 ding
Look good?
ding. Yeah, it looks good. Let me know guys in the comment section below kung ano yung bet nyo na.
What do we look?
I know.
What? This is your favorite?
Yeah. That's my favorite. No, I like this one and the white one as well. Oh, I could hear Selene.
This is my favorite combination.
Just gonna go check the looks. Tingnan natin ang last outfit ni Daddy Mike.
You like it?
Wala mag-graduate. Yeah, looks nice. It's very nice, like color combination. Come closer. It's like navy blue and white.
You're sick. Sick in the head.
That looks very nice. Is that what you're wearing tomorrow? Huh?
Not wearing this to see over.
Why not?
Huh?
Why not? It's only 25 tomorrow, you know?
I'll wear like a t-shirt and shorts. This is for like work. When I go to work, when we go to dinner, when I want to make my third baby.
Oh, you smell good, Daddy.
Do I? Like Burberry. Off comes in the bad way.
We're finished with our modeling.
Sorry guys, you have to watch that.
Yeah. But yeah, I got that in back here, guys. Kasi gusto kong marinig yung side niya. Kung ano yung thoughts niya about, you know, like yung ating Ate Paris today, yung ano natin sa Ate Paris, yung nasa internet, ganon. Alam naman ni Daddy Mike, guys, no? Like Daddy Mike, you know, is well aware naman na obviously we are on YouTube, so everyone can see us, diba? But you know, it's different yung bang, you know, pag naano ka sa GMA na
Who's GMA anyway?
it's like a TV channel in the Philippines. It's like ABS-CBN. It's the
Competitor?
yeah.
Isn't the one that you don't like? I'm just saying, isn't that the one? Or like Team AB, whatever it is, CBN.
Yeah, kasi alam nyo guys, hindi naman sa ganun. Kasi when I was in the Philippines study, when I was younger, well, we didn't have TV, right? We had to watch at the neighbor's house. And yeah, they didn't have GMA. They only have ABS-CBN. So we don't have the power to change it. So I grew up just watching ABS-CBN. Yeah, that's the reason. Anyways, so what's your thoughts, Daddy? I was very surprised this morning kasi hindi ko in-expect yun. Na ganun pala. Kasi nga, diba, I had this conversation with this lady and she's from the UK. So, hindi ko inisip na mapupunta sa GMA. But, I guess they all work together. Don't you think? Like, honestly.
They must. They must.
Yeah. So, yeah. Anyways, your thoughts about it?
I'm glad that I'm honestly like to be, but like really, I don't get it too much, but I know you're really into it and stuff. So I guess yeah, I'm like very proud for you guys and happy for you guys. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not like a big social media kind of guy. Yeah.
But
If it's a big deal, then it's good. I don't know. You know what I mean?
yeah, it's for me like I don't know, us vlogging, I'm not really expecting too much, you know what I mean? Like with the vlogging, my main purpose was, you know, to document yung buhay ng mga anak ko. One day when they grow old, they can, you know, look back on those videos and we'll have fun. Kahit nga ngayon na Paris is only 4 years old, right? But when we'll watch her videos again when she was little, you know, we enjoy it. So, you know what I mean? So it's just fun, you know? It's good na may nakaka-notice kay Ate Paris. Sa mga naka-follow sa vlogs natin ever since, Paris is really an out there kid, you know what I mean? Like, she loves being out, just like her dad.
I enjoy socializing and stuff, but
Yeah.
I guess this is different, you know, because I'm 40 and I didn't grow up and socialize in front of a camera or my phone. I was growing up and socializing with people, but yeah, times have changed and this is like a new age and a new sensation. So yeah, it's good for her and it's good for you, like I said. I always told you, like I always said Paris is special. Always said that. Always known it and always said it.
Yeah.
Facts.
Yeah. She's just very, yeah, parang she's very bubbly. Nakikita niyo naman sa mga mga vlogs natin. So, you know, one day when she grow up, then that's one thing for her to, you know, like, oh, na ano pala ako sa ganyan-ganyan. So, it's good, you know, we will support her kung ano man yung ano. We'll never know what's gonna come in the future, diba? But as parents, you know, we will support our kids. Kung ano lang naman yung makakaganda sa kanila. Kasi, I know Daddy Mike has been, I don't know if you watch Ryan's World? Ryan's World. And yun yung ayaw ni Daddy Mike na mangyari kay Ate Paris. Yun bang, you know, always, how do you explain it, Daddy?
Yeah.
Because I was just telling you, like, that's one thing that you don't want.
Yeah, no, like that's never gonna happen. Basically, I mean, yeah, it means basically our whole life has been, well, his whole life has been in front of a camera at all times, like filming every single day, and it's like scripted, you know what I mean? So it's like yeah, it's like a performance. It's not necessarily natural, and I feel sorry. I kind of feel sorry for him. I don't know. He's rich as hell, so maybe not. But no, I feel sorry for him because like it'll be. It's just not how you. It's not a child. It's not a childhood for me. I don't think it's a childhood.
No, I think like with, you know, with other parents, yung gagawin at yung ginagawa lang namin ngayon, like just let her have fun. Yung gusto niyang gawin, yun yung gagawin niya. Like we're not gonna tell her what to do. Yun ba nga, you do this in the camera or whatever. Kasi nakikita niyo naman minsan kahit hindi na ako magsalita, gusto niya talagang magsalita. So yun, but not to the point na I'm like pushing her to ano yung bang.
Good luck anyway. You tell her what to do in front of the camera, she'll do the opposite.
Yeah. I know.
You just keep doing what you're doing.
Yeah.
You keep doing what you're doing, and Paris will shine regardless.
Yeah.
With or without the camera.
So true, right? And that's coming from her father. Paris will shine with or without the camera.
This is definitely like a Jovi and Paris thing, and I'm just in the background cheerleading from afar. But it's, yeah, I'll be like spinning up, I'll be like, yeah, training Celine how to fight and yeah, stuff like that. I'm doing gymnastics with Paris. That's the things I'm into. But yeah, I hope, like, obviously, you know, if she enjoys it, I hope it like leads to something for her, something to add success to her.
Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna cry. Guys, nag-change kami ng camera kasi na memory card full na ang aming camera, guys. So I'm using my new phone now. What do you think? How's the quality? Anyways, we're going to end the vlog here now, guys. Thank you for watching today's video. And thank you very much for sitting with me. Kasi alam naman, hindi talaga ito siya umaano, guys, mga videos. Kapag nandyan siya, yeah, we will, you know, take a video with him and all that. But, you know, it's very rare na Daddy Mike just sits down and that. So, thanks, Daddy.
Don't cry.
Oh, I'm not gonna cry. Anyways, guys, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And make sure to hit the subscribe button. Be a part of this family. And we hope to see you on the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't,
be careful. Bye.
bye. Mwah.